I made this silly little sort of cube world generator. So I thought I'd show this off. So you can see here, generating some cubey worlds. There you can make it rotate from a different angle. You can see we can just hit the space bar and you can get lots of different generated little cube worlds. What's happened here, unsurprisingly, if you know anything about sort of PCG stuff, right, is that we basically have a little sort of like Minecraft generator, right? It's based on Perlin noise. You can see that if you know anything about Perlin noise, right? This is what that looks like. I'm just playing around, flinging these cubes around. And just basically it's filling that in for 6 sides of a cube, right? So you get a whole world of sort of Minecraft landscapes. And obviously there's some stuff happening here with the palettes and the size, the resolution of the Perlin noise, et cetera, et cetera. I made this up for a local kids science museum, the Telus World of Science, Edmonton. And what I thought would be fun is if I put a tiny little sort of like recommender algorithm type thing in it. So if I hit like the like here, and then we keep on looking through and I find something I don't like. And then I swap mode, so now I'm hitting the G button. You can see down there tiny, it says best score. It's basically a utility function here, but it's basically going to try to generate me stuff that will be more like the things I've liked and less like the things I've disliked, right? So maybe I could dislike this one too. Keep going. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Maybe I like that one. Keep going. That seems pretty all right. Seems pretty okay. Let's say we get something like this. Let's say I dislike this. More complicated patterns than that. Dislike that. More complicated patterns. There we go. Now we've got some more complicated patterns, right? Et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And you can see the sort of the fitness increasing. And that's all from, I can scroll through, hey, here's my liked ones, right? All the ones that I've liked. And here's all the ones that I've disliked, right? And it can learn a little thing. So I was messing around with this, and I'll just go back to like clicking through some random ones here. So you can see the variable, how variable this can get if we don't have sort of the preferences taken in mind. So I was using this to sort of show off like a really simple AI thing for the kids. Obviously, it's fun for them because it looks like Minecraft. And to the parents, I could basically say, hey, this is not unlike how sort of your preferences when online shopping are taken into consideration. Anyway, I've made this public. It's up on GitHub. You can mess around with this yourself if you want. Play around with it, see what you can make. Have a good time.